Thank you for joining this lesson, number 14, whereby we're going to deal with word problems and linear equations. Ruto is 2.25 times as old as his son. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 8:3. What will be their ages 6 years from now? So let me draw a simple table here of Ruto and his son. Ruto and his son's ages. So what we shall have first, we can have Ruto here, then the son on this side. So Ruto is 2.25 times as old as the son. So we can let the son to be x. You know, this is the present age now. Yeah, the present age is having Ruto at son at x, so that Ruto is 2.25 of what the son is. Then now after this, if this is a present age, now we go to what we call 5 years ago. So 5 years ago. 5 years ago, everybody will be 5 years less. So it will be 2.25 x less 5. The same time, the son will also be less 5. 5 years ago. Then now 5 years ago, the ratios of their ages was 8:5. So when we take 2.25, this becomes this is 9/4, which is 9/4 of x minus 5, and we divide by x minus 5. This is supposed to give us the ratios 8:3. So as a fraction, we can have it as 8/3. So now we can cross multiply to have 8 by this, which is 8x minus 40 equals to 9/4 by 3. This is going to be 6.75 x minus 15. Then we group like terms together. So 8 minus 6.75 is going to be 1.25. So 1.25 is 1.25 x. This is equal to, when we take 40 to the other side, it will be positive, then minus 15. So we get a 25. So to remain with x, now we can divide 25 and 1 point, so that we get exactly 20. So x is 20. That is the present age of the son. So present age of the son is 20, which means when we multiply this with the 2.25, which is 2.25, we're going to get 45. So this is son. The Ruto himself will be 45 years. This is present ages. What will be their ages 6 years from now? Everybody will add 6. So son is going to be 26, and the father, who is Ruto, is going to be 51 years.